this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and this week I'll show you how to make these delicious air fryer fingerling potatoes. These are crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside, and they make the perfect side dish for chicken, fish, or steak. For the ingredients, you'll need fingerling potatoes, melted butter, smoked paprika, dried parsley flakes, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and olive oil. Start by cutting the potatoes in half lengthwise. To a large bowl, add the melted butter, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and dried parsley flakes. Stir until well blended. Add the fingerling potatoes to the bowl and toss until well coated. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the air fryer is ready, add the potatoes to the air fryer in a single layer. Cook the potatoes for 16 minutes until crispy, and be sure to flip them halfway through. Once the potatoes are done, remove them from the air fryer, let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy air fryer recipes.